I think there is much to be said about bringing forward a comprehensive animal welfare bill in the next Queen's Speech. It's a proposition that I put to the Minister previously in debates, and I hope that she will take it up in the spirit it is intended. There is cross-party support for tougher measures for animal welfare, better support for pet owners, better support for those people working in this sector. And in my mind, an animal welfare bill that includes provisions to tighten the rules around pet theft, to tighten the provisions around puppy smuggling, to use the, should the member for Bury North's bill not get through, to adopt Tucks and Gizmos law, to look at cat microchipping, animal cruelty of wild animals, and tougher sentences for filming, as I mentioned in relation to animal sentencing bill earlier. Provisions for animal sentience, the Flop Not Crop campaign to ensure that dog ear cropping is not part of our national culture, improve accessibility to vets and affordability for those on low incomes, the ability for tenants to properly keep pets, reporting of motor incidents to include dogs beyond livestock and dogs, action around livestock worrying, because for many people they've taken their animals into rural areas and that has produced consequences for farm animals especially, and I think there's an element of looking at how that can be better supported without necessarily reducing the right to roam along the way. As we've heard from the member for North Ayrshire and Arran, also around banning fur imports, action on trophy hunting, and I think an animal welfare commissioner to produce an annual report on the state of animal welfare in England in particular. I think there's much that would be supported on a cross-party basis with a bill as comprehensive as that, and I would encourage the Minister to look carefully at how that can be included in the Queen's Speech that we're expecting, so we can avoid so many of these debates where honourable members on both sides make the case on one area. Let's have one single bill to deal with all these issues, to make sure that we are properly putting into law the fact that every pet and every animal matters, with proper, decent protection and funding to go along with it. Thank you.
Minister.